Hey guys, Czar here, back with you, watching closely here. Look at this reversal. Sell stop order, guys, below the open range, right there. Momentum has shifted very quickly here. Stop above the open range. Deleting prior markers. Shifting to the 1 minute chart here, guys. This will be my second trade of the day. It's 9:53, 7 minutes left in this giant 30-minute candle. This would be a second market open play, guys, this time shorting below the open range. The first one was going long above the open range. Got very lucky on my exit here before the sentiment changed very dramatically here, as you can see. After we tapped into that key zone that I talked about in my video beside this one, the first trade video. There's that giant rejection wick on the 30-minute. And again, we have 5 minutes left in this 30-minute candle still. It has completely flipped from an extremely bullish candle, very large bullish candle, into a bearish bodied candle and broke the prior candle low. See that there? Now this one has a significant unit of doubt, guys. It's the very bullish momentum in that big candle. I do like the idea that we're rejecting so harshly here on this daily chart from this key zone to help my short trade idea, but it's still a very bullish day inside of this, and that's a unit of doubt, no question about it. But I think this is strong enough, or I feel this is strong enough to toss the coin if we break below. And that's why I have a sell stop order instead of just entering here and hoping that prices dip from here. And all we're doing here in trading, guys, as is the case with all trading, is saying that if prices break below here, they have a higher chance of hitting this before they hit that. And that's it. That's the essence of trading. All right, guys, canceling this idea, deleting the markers. And I'll sit with this for a while and bring you back if I see anything else. I may even consider a long through here if the right stuff sets up. We'll see. All right, guys, we're back. You can see we've been meandering around here a little bit. I'm going to put this marker back again below that ultimate low of the session. Of course, below open range, shorts only. Stop above this prior pivot. Very obvious place. And I'll put you back on pause and we'll wait for this thing to develop. Guys, I'm back, switching to buy stop order right above, right there. I'll clean this up in a moment. Stop below that little rejection wick. Cleaning up the marker. Here we go, guys. And I am not in yet. It's got to cross that line as always. You know how I do this. I need to see definitive crosses. I have my targets, I have my stops and entries, so that there's never any doubt about what I'm showing you here, guys. Realigning with the torque and energy of that daily candle. And I'm in, guys. And I'm in. Long again on the NASDAQ. Here we go, guys. I'm sure you noticed that big sudden pop above here as all these stops that were up here were taken out suddenly. And there was this pop. Now we just need a little more, one more push to make this thing happen. All right, guys, so there it is. Stopped out at break even on this. And as promised, I will keep the video going so we can see in hindsight whether we pull all the way back to my original stop or if we turn around and go back to the original take profit. In other words, how resourceful was this dynamic stop decision in hindsight? All right, guys, we're back, and as you can see, we're just kind of grinding around here at this point. It's 12 noon, it's 12:02 actually. We're in the twilight zone, and as you can see, we've pulled all the way back to the 75% mark where I originally moved my stop to break even. It got stopped out here. I'm going to call it a day here, guys. I'm going to end this. You can see that we're just kind of going sideways at this point. Now, this may end up going to my original take profit or all the way down here to my stop. But you can see that this is what dynamic stops are all about. Get to 75% in this case. Sometimes I'll do it at 50. Sometimes I don't do it at all. It depends on what's happening here in the market. And this, of course, was a very interesting, volatile, whippy, and extended day here, given the Trump election and so on and so forth. And so I wanted to move my stop to break even when we hit the 75% mark and just lock in a sure no lose, given that I already had a nice 1 hour winner here, long also. And then price dropped very aggressively after that. Thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk to you soon.